Hello everyone, my name is Shauna Morris, and today we are going to be doing the dissection of a sheep heart. Now I'm going to first show you all my materials. So we're going to start with our bleach that we have. We're going to pour it in here for our cleaning solution. We have our goggles. We have our sheep heart, gloves, our large foam pad, our dissection kit, and then our pens. My name is Shauna Morris, and I also have my apron. All right, let's get started. All right, well, here we are. Shauna Morris, put this right here. So, this is the external anterior view of the sheep heart. So we have our aorta. Then moving down to the pulmonary arteries, the left auricle, and our left ventricle. Then we have our anterior interventricular sulcus, our right ventricle, our right auricle, and then the brachiary artery. Then we're going to turn over and examine our posterior exterior view of the heart. So we still have our aorta, followed by the brachiary artery, the right auricle, the superior vena cava, and the inferior vena cava, our right ventricle, and then the posterior interventricular sulcus. Then we have down here our left ventricle, our left auricle, our pulmonary veins, and then our pulmonary arteries. Okay, so with the probe in our aorta, we're going to start cutting from our left side. Now, so we can get an interior view of the heart. It is kind of tough. Ooh. Okay. All right, you got a good view. Okay, so let's observe the wall. This thick muscle is called the trabecular carinae. We're going to trace the opening towards the aorta and the brachiary artery. Okay, let's take the probe out. See, and then we can still see. See if we can see our probe. Yeah, we can, coming straight through the heart, through the aorta into the heart. Okay, and then I started cutting our right side of our heart. And I'm going to open it for you so we can see. The right side of our heart. So there's a difference actually in the wall thickness on the right and left side. So we'll take this out of our aorta. And so we have our right atrium. We have our tricuspid valve, the papillary muscle, and then we have some more of the chordae tendineae. We have our right auricle, and then we have the right ventricular wall. You see that? Okay, this is our right side of the heart. All right, thank you for watching our dissection of a sheep heart, Sunday, September 15th, 2019. Have a good day.